El Caminito del Rey, Spain. They call it the King's Little Pathway, but don't let the cute name fool you. El Caminito del Rey is anything but little when it comes to danger. This narrow pathway clings to the cliffs of Spain's Gaitanes Gorge, suspended 300 feet above the river below, and for years it was infamous for being one of the most dangerous hikes in the world. The original path, built over 100 years ago, was crumbling, full of missing sections and had no guardrails. Hikers literally had to balance on old steel beams or risk falling to their deaths. After multiple fatalities, Spain finally decided to renovate it. Today the new path is much safer with wooden planks and safety cables, but don't get too comfortable. The drop is still just as terrifying, and strong winds can make your heart pound faster than ever. Would you dare to cross a bridge made of glass high above jagged rocks? Because that's part of the adventure here. And if that doesn't make your palms sweat, wait until you see the final section. A narrow swaying bridge that connects two cliff faces. One misstep, and it's a long way down. Are you up for it? Or are you already feeling dizzy just thinking about it?